In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover your lost Snapchat streak. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you have lost a streak with your friend on Snapchat and now you want to recover it, then what you have to do is to open Snapchat application. Click on your profiles icon at the top left corner of your screens and then click on the settings icon. Scroll down and below the support tab, click on I need help. Then click on contact us. Now select this option that says I lost my snap streak. Then scroll down and select this option that says how do I restore my Snapchat streak. Again scroll down. Now you need to fill out this form in order to recover your lost Snapchat streak. So you need to enter your Snapchat username, your email address and phone number that was linked with your Snapchat account. Then you need to enter the device name on which you are using Snapchat. And after that, you need to enter your friend's username with whom you lost your Snapchat streak. Then mention the date on which you lost the Snapchat streak. After that, enter how long was your Snapchat streak before it expired. For the second last option that says, did you see the time icon? All you have to do is to click on the drop down and select no. Now in this description box, you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to mention why you lost your Snapchat streak. And then all you have to do is to click on the submit option. And once you click on submit, within the next 24 hours, your lost Snapchat streak will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.